Hello. Before knowing the IDE for Java, let's see how to execute a Java file using command prompt and using Notepad. For that, you would need to open a Notepad and let's write a program here. Let's start off with a simple program to print the hello world. Let's start with writing a class. The basic syntax for writing a class is class and the class name. So let's replace the class name with the name Hello World. As stated earlier, Java is a true object-oriented language. Therefore, everything must be placed inside a class. Class is the keyword and Hello World is the identifier that specifies the name of the class. Every class definition in Java begins with an opening brace and ends with a matching closing brace. Next, we can write the main method. Public static void main, and inside the parenthesis string args. Here, public static void main defines the main method. Conceptually, every Java application program must include the main method. This is actually starting point for the interpreter to begin the execution of a program. Java can have any number of classes, but only one of them must include a main method. Here, public is the access specifier that declares the main method is unprotected. Static declares this method as one that belongs to entire class and not a part of any objects of the class. The main must always be declared as static since the interpreter uses this method before any objects are created. Void is a type and it states that the main method does not return any value. String args declare a parameter named args where args is a short form for arguments that contains an array of objects of class type string. Next, we can write a method that prints the text. Let's write system.out.println and inside the parenthesis the text. Note that in Java, every string is represented within double quotes. Let's write hello world. This is the only executable statement in the program. As you see, every Java statement should end with a semicolon. Now, it's time to see the output. For that, save the file with .java extension. Right now, I'm going to place this file inside the drive E and inside the folder Java, and I have already created a folder named Hello World. In that, I'm going to save this file as hello world.java. You should save the file with your class name. Here, it's hello world. Let's save it. If you have not configured Java, you should configure by adding Java path to environment variable. This eliminates restriction to use Java only from its current working directory. To set the path variable, take the control panel in which you can see system. From here, you have to choose Advanced System Settings, where you can choose Advanced tab. Click on the environment variables. If you do not have a path, you have to create a new one by clicking the new button. Here, the dialog box is divided into a user variable section and a system variable section. You have to set the user variable as path and give the variable value. The variable value is obtained from the Java folder in the program files. So, let's go to C, Program Files, Java, and inside the JDK, you can choose the bin folder. Copy the path of the bin from here and paste it near the variable value. Apply the changes. Now, you have configured the environment variable. Now, let's run the program from the command prompt. For that, open the command prompt, choose the path. If you have saved it to any of the folders or directory, you should change the directory here. As I have saved the Java file inside the E directory, you have to choose E directory. Now, let's move to the folder named Java. Inside Java, we have created Hello World folder. So, let's move into that folder. cd space Hello World. Now, we are standing within the folder Hello World. Here you can see we have created a Hello World Java file. Now, it's time for compilation. To compile, the basic syntax is Java C space your file name. Here it's Java C space Hello World. Also, write the file extension .java. Otherwise, it will always show an error. You have got an error here. Now, let's go and make the changes. As you can see, I have provided the data type class with capital C. You have to change it to small c. Now, save the file. You need not compile the Java file once more, but let's compile it once more to assure that it's error-free. When you have compiled the program, you can run the program using the command java space your program name. There you need not use the .java extension. That is java space hello world. Now you can see that the output is generated. You see a hello world is printed. Hope you all understood how to create a program using the notepad and the command prompt in Java.